Let's proceed. So, since this is a problem under free fall, so ang ating motion ay due to gravitational acceleration. So, dun tayo mag-i-start kasi ang motion ay due to A, which is equal to negative 32 feet per second square. Kasi naka-FPS tayo, ang given natin na height ay feet. So, umpisahan natin. So, A is equal to negative 32 feet per second square. So, ang ating notation ay negative since downward ang ating motion, or yung ating gravitational acceleration is downward. Okay, so again, we will use the representation or definition ng acceleration in terms of differential equation. So, that is dv over dt is equal to negative 32. Kahit wag na muna nating alagay yung unit kasi okay na to, naka-fit yung height, naka-fit per second yung ating acceleration. So, dv is equal to negative 32, okay, multiplied by dt. Okay, and then we integrate. So, v is equal to negative 32 t plus c sub 1. So, this is our first equation of motion. So, ang gagawin lang natin dito ay kukunin natin yung v equation, velocity equation, at saka yung displacement equation. And from that two derived equations, makukuha natin yung ibang required or unknown sa problem. And then, we apply v is equal to ds over dt. Tama? Negative 32 t plus c sub 1. So, ds is equal to negative 32t plus c sub 1 multiplied by dt. So, i-integrate uli natin. So, that is s equals negative 32t squared over 2, okay, plus c sub 1 t plus c sub 2. So, this is our equation number 2. Okay, we have to find the exact equation of motion. Kailangan natin yung mga yon. So, we apply the conditions dun sa ating problem. Okay? Apply natin muna yung initial conditions. Okay? Dun sa first point natin. Ano yung mga initial condition natin? So, sabay-sabay mo silang gagamitin. V sub 1 is 0. Ang height natin doon ay 555 feet. Okay? Ang time natin, syempre, initial time, 0. So, v, okay, substitute natin yan sa equation 1. So, v is equal to negative 32 t plus c sub 1. Okay, so, velocity is 0, okay? No, ang height or displacement ay 555 feet. Ay, sorry. No, ang time natin ay 0. Okay, velocity is 0. Okay, time is 0. Wala naman palang height, displacement variable dito, plus c sub 1. Therefore, c sub 1 is 0. Okay, ang equation of motion natin sa velocity is v. Okay, substitute natin yung c sub 1. It's negative 32t. So, 32t plus c sub 1. Since this is 0, v is equal to negative 32. Negative 32t. Okay, this is our first equation of motion. Ayan. Now, punta tayo dun sa pangalawa. Dun sa displacement equation. Okay. Kokopihin lang natin uli. Okay, ang ating S. So, kokopihin na natin yung una. Dito, V is equal to negative 32t. Yan yung first equation of motion natin. Okay, yung pangalawa, solve mo pa natin. S is equal to, so we can actually write this. So, negative 32 over 2 is negative 16 t squared plus c sub 1 t plus c sub 2. Ang c sub 1 natin na nakuha ay equal to 0. So, this is equation number 2. Okay, so yan. So, wait lang. Okay, hindi pala nasama yung ating, lalagay ko na lang. So, V1 is equal to, this is our reference point. V1 is 0, T sub 1 is 0, tapos ang S natin ay 555. So, ang S final natin ay 0. VF unknown, time F is unknown. So, again, okay, substitute uli natin yung initial condition natin dito. Okay? So, S is 555. So, substitute condition, initial condition to 2. Okay. Ang S natin ay 555 equals negative 16. Ang time natin at initial condition, 0. Plus, since C sub 1 is 0, times time, plus C sub 2. Therefore, so cancel out na to, C sub 2 is 555. So, ang ating equation of motion sa displacement ay S equals negative 16 T squared, okay, plus C is 0, T, and then time, okay, 0 times T, okay, plus 555. So, ang ating S ay negative 16 T squared, okay, plus 555. So, yun yung isang equation of motion natin. Yung pangalawa. So, S is equal to negative 16 T squared plus 555. Ayan.